everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this simple DIY embroidery hoop wreath. It turned out so cute and it's really easy to make, and if you want to see how I made it, then continue watching. For this project I will be using a 10-inch embroidery hoop. Also, I'm going to be using a couple of these pink flowers that I had left over from another project. Also, I'm going to be using some eucalyptus leaves, and I've already taken them off my eucalyptus stem. Also, I'm going to be using lamb's ear leaves, and I also already removed them from my eucalyptus stem. So I am going to position my greenery and flowers to where they hide the metal screw. And so now I'm just going to start hot gluing on my greenery. I'm going to put on my lamb's ear first. Then I'm going to start hot gluing on my eucalyptus leaves, and I'm putting about 3 leaves of each on each side. And then I'm going to do the exact same on the opposite side, and then go ahead and put my flowers on. And that is how simple it is to make this wreath. So I just love the simplicity of this, and it still looks pretty elegant. And you can change the flowers to match any of your room decor. So if you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.